Hi, it's Chris. In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the manifold in your Whirlpool dishwasher. It's a very easy repair. It doesn't require any special tools. It just takes a few minutes of your time. Keep in mind, if your machine needs to be repaired, it's usually simple enough to do it yourself. Visit PartSelect.com, enter your model number, and quickly find and order the part you need. So the main reason you'd be looking at replacing your manifold is basically just over normal wear and tear. The plastic will become a little brittle, and sometimes the hangers where it attaches to the rack will break and cause it to come out of place. Or in some cases, they've actually been clogged with some food particles and the seal inside doesn't close properly as it should. So to replace the manifold, it's very easy. The first thing we're going to do is just open up the door. We're going to slide out that middle rack. So now with the rack out in position, all we need to do is rotate that collar in a clockwise direction. That'll lower the spring arm away from it. We just set it down. And now all we need to do to release the manifold, we just need to squeeze these locking tabs here at the bottom. Squeeze them together and push the manifold up. And then move to the back set and do the exact same thing. Squeeze those locking tabs inward and that allows it to come up. Now we just need to push those in, guide them out of the rack, rotate it, and that's how easy it is to remove. So now to replace it, to install your new manifold, it's very easy. We're just going to bring the manifold up into position. Wiggle those sides in. Squeeze those together. And it's locked into place. Now all we need to do is bring up our spray arm. Bring it up into position. Rotate that locking collar counterclockwise until you feel it lock in. Slide our upper rack back in. Close our door. And it's just that easy to replace the manifold in your Whirlpool dishwasher.